Third graders, welcome back from Christmas vacation. It is time to dive into creating with Google Slides. So the very first thing you're going to do this morning is you're going to open up your Google Drive, and that will help you get logged in. See my smiling face over here. And once you are signed in, it will pop open your drive and you can see all your many folders and creations in here. Next, go to the new box right over here, the new tab, I should say, and click the new. And then go right over to Google Slides. Click on that, and that's going to open up our slide for today. Now, the first thing we need to do just to get in the groove of things and build those good habits is come up here to Untitled Presentation, and let's just give it a title. I'd like us to call this one Practice 1. And that's all. And then you can click back onto the slide itself over here. Practice 1. Everybody's getting that written down. Now, Google's done something kind of cool for us. They've created some pre-generated themes. And these themes are all different colors and styles and ways that you can incorporate their style with your style, basically. Sometimes it's nice to have a template. Sometimes you just want to do your own thing. So for today, all I want you to do is just choose any one of these templates. First one to click on their template wins $1 million. Just kidding. I will choose this one here. Click to add title. All right. So now you can see what the first page of my template's going to look like. We'll save the other ones for the mystery in a minute. Here it says click to add title. Yeah, let's do that. Let's click. And you'll notice I'm just doing a left click. And that opened up my box. Now, what do I want to say? Well, let's just call this one Fun with Slides. And you'll see that I capitalized both my F and my S because that's how you would capitalize every word in your title that counts. If you like to capitalize your smaller words like with and the, that is your choice. You can do that. It right now is in a left alignment, but I want to make sure that I can really, see this right in the dead center. So I'm going to come right up here where the word align will pop up. See, boop, there it is. And click there. This is where it is. This is where I want it to be, in the center. Now it's in the center of my box. If I shorten my box, it's still going to be in the center of my box, but it's not in the center of my page anymore. So I'll come over here to undo and just put it back right in the center. And the other thing I might want to do, first, let's go over here to themes again, and let's press the X because I want to make this as big as I can. All right, so now I've got my title, Fun with Slides. I want to highlight over this because I want to make some fun changes to this. It's all about fun today. Proxima, not fun. I think I would like it to be Comic Sans. Comic is always a fun one. Kind of tilts them, gives them a little wibble wobble there. And I'm going to go over here to the font size because I'm going to make it bigger. 72? Sure, why not? Now it's right here. It's along this green line. That's looking pretty good. I don't want to say anything more down here in this subtitle box. So let's get rid of it. Some students will forget to get rid of this box, and then you'll always sort of have this box there every time you open to edit. I just want to get rid of it. But in order to tell the computer what to do, I have to click on the box, and then I'm going to press delete. Now, if you don't get it the first time, just keep trying. Click on that box, hit delete. Fun with Slides. I want a fun picture to go on this Fun with Slides page. So I need to insert a picture. Again, I'm telling my computer what to do. So I've moved my arrow up here to insert, pressing on insert. What do I want to add? An image or a picture. So let's go to search the web. Now I could go into my Drive, I could access my Google Photos, I could even take a picture of myself right now. Woo! Oh, you want to see how that works? This could be scary. Camera. Oh, I have to slide my camera open here. Okay. Here's my camera. Taking a picture. Oh, I have to hit allow. Yes. Okay, is it going to do it? Oh, there I am. Ha! You can see part of my house. Yeah, this is your teacher over Christmas break. Ready? Okay, I hit insert. Now you have a very scary picture right here. I'm going to shorten it up a little. And then, oh, that's just too scary to keep. So I'm going to highlight it with blue. It's clicked, and then delete it. Okay, your teacher needs some more coffee this morning. Let's go back to inserts, image, and let's just go to search the web. We'll get some much prettier pictures there. All right, something fun I did over Christmas was yesterday I went skiing up at Snoqualmie. So let's find a great picture of me. Oh yeah, that looks just like me. Now there's two ways you can insert this. You click it, that's the one I want, and you can go to insert, or you can also just click it and you can drag it onto your screen. Doesn't matter, works both ways. Now I don't want these pictures up here forever. I want to see my slides again, so I'm going to close it. And then I notice it's a little bit too big. It's bumping into this green line. So these arrows, when I get the 4 arrows, that means I move the whole thing. But if I go to one corner, and it should be a corner if you want to reduce the entire picture, I click and drag and make it smaller. Maybe I want more than one. So let me put this one over here, and I'll go back. And I'll go insert, image, whoops, and go to search the web. I'll get this up here again, and I'll type in skiing once again and see what I get. Oh, there's a skiing GIF here. Let's see if that's kind of fun to stick in there. Whee! All right, let's see if that might actually work. But we'll find out if it will play later, but I'll put that one in there for now. And I'll stick this one in here as well. Okay, so that's probably enough. I'm just going to close down out of there. Now, I do like to have my pictures all be about the same size in a presentation like this. So you can see I'm sort of adjusting it. And do you see the red line that pops up? What that's doing is it's telling me, oh, okay, you are in alignment with that other one. So if you shrink it that way, the size will be the same. How about on the bottom? Let's see, can I get that little red line again? Sometimes they're a little tricky. And this one, it looks a little bit shorter than my other one. Let me move that up. Oh, see, I'm getting a blue line and it's saying, yep, you nailed it. Okay, that red line is telling me I'm directly centered with the others. So cool. All right, I could play around with this kind of stuff all day. I love editing. All right, so now you get a chance just to sort of play around with this first slide, and we will pause here while you play, and then we'll come back and we'll do a second slide. Time for slide 2. I will go over here to where there's a plus sign and it says create new slide or new slide. It also gives me the secret shortcut. It says Control plus M. Well, with Control plus M, I can add in this section over here all the other slides. I'm going to start off just with new slide plus. And now you'll see this is how Google decided to keep going with the theme. It's no longer black with green line right here. Instead, it's white with a green line here at the bottom. And that's fine, unless you happen to be like, you know, me and want to play around more with the creativity side of things. So I'll go up here to background, and I'm going to change this background. I really kind of liked working with the black. So I'm going to go back to black, but I don't want to add it to my theme. I don't need everything to be black because I might want the next slide to be something different. So I'll click done. And then for my title, well, I just want to come up with anything. I'm making lots of mistakes. I had a great time on vacation. Exclamation mark. A little hard to see. So let's go up here again and let's highlight over my words. And now be thinking which one of these tools is going to change my font color. Bing, bing, bing. It is the one that says text color. Let's go with light blue. I want to make it bold too, and maybe even a little bit bigger. On slides, you don't want to go with less than 18 as just a general rule, especially if you're talking about having a presentation up on the board. If it was somebody sitting in front of a computer and you wanted to bring it to 14, that's what it would look like. 18, and then I'm going to make mine 36 because I really had a great time. Now, click here to add text. Great. I can add more text. I could talk about what fun things I did. Let's see. I'm going to make this mistake on purpose. I hate. And then, let me come back up here to my undo button. Boop, boop, there. Now it brings me back just a little bit. I had a great time with friends and family. Maybe on the next line, I really make some mistakes. Oh no, I made a lot more mistakes. And I'm hitting enter after each of these. Well, clearly I don't want those on there. My undo button, that's my friend. Undo, click, gets rid of the capital D, click, it goes back to where it was, click, it erases it. So I can do whatever I want on this part. Now, I can keep my text box this big. I can also grab a corner, shrink it down, make sure I'm at least 18, which I am. Don't care for the gray. I'll go over here, change it to white, make it bold. Oh, that went out of my box, so I'll go just a little bit more. There we go. Then I'm just going to play around, and all I want you to do today is just keep playing around with some of the first tools that we're looking at. You can insert more images. We'll avoid going to inserting videos or other things yet, but we will get to that in other lessons. So just enjoy some time to play. This would be files on my computer if I wanted to go in there. And just relax and get into the creativity side of things today.